The Earth is home to an estimated 7 million different species of plants and animals. Only about 1.2 million of these species have been discovered and named so far. The oceans cover about 71% of the Earth's surface. The deepest point in the ocean is the Mariana Trench, which is over 11,000 meters deep. The tallest mountain on Earth is Mount Everest, which is 8,848.86 meters tall. The largest living organism on Earth is a fungus called Armillaria osteoides, which covers an area of over 2,300 acres in Oregon. The oldest living organism on Earth is a bristlecone pine tree named Methuselah, which is over 4,800 years old. The fastest animal on Earth is the cheetah, which can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. The largest animal on Earth is the blue whale, which can weigh up to 200 tons and grow up to 100 feet long. The smallest animal on Earth is the bumblebee bat, which weighs about 0.07 ounces and is about 1.14 inches long. The most venomous animal on Earth is the Australian box jellyfish, whose sting can kill a human in minutes. The longest living animal on Earth is the Greenland shark, which can live for over 400 years. The most intelligent animal on Earth is the chimpanzee, which shares over 98% of its DNA with humans. The most adaptable animal on Earth is the cockroach, which can survive in almost any environment. The most important plant on Earth is the phytoplankton, which produces about half of the oxygen in the atmosphere. The most diverse ecosystem on Earth is the tropical rainforest, which is home to millions of different species of plants and animals. The most endangered ecosystem on Earth is the coral reef, which is being threatened by climate change, pollution, and overfishing. The most beautiful place on Earth is a matter of opinion, but some of the most popular contenders include the Grand Canyon, the Great Barrier Reef, and the Northern Lights. The most mysterious place on Earth is the Bermuda Triangle, where hundreds of ships and airplanes have disappeared over the years. The most important thing to remember about nature is that it is our home, and we need to protect it.